aquatic animals. Goat, sheep, cow, ox, yak, pig, hen, horse, donkey, camel, elephant, cat, dog, rat. Wild animals: lion, tiger, bear, chimpanzee, zebra, giraffe, snake, rhinoceros, deer, fox, kangaroo, wolf, squirrel. Water animals: blue whale, goldfish, clownfish, clam, crab, crocodile, dolphin, isopod, jellyfish, krill, lobster, manatees, octopus, otter, oyster, seahorse, seal, shark, shrimp, squid, starfish, stingray, tortoise, walrus, insects, ant, ladybird, cockroach, butterfly, housefly, honeybee, lizard, beetle, dragonfly, scorpion.